Member for Goldstein has the call.
Thank you, Speaker. My question is to the Minister for Health and Aged Care. Will the minister please outline to the House how the Morrison Government is continuing to support states and territories during the COVID-19 pandemic?
The Minister for Health has the call.
Thank you very much, Mr Speaker, and I want to thank the member for Goldstein. And right throughout the pandemic, he's focused on the needs of his community, and we visited one of the early general practices together, which began the COVID-19 vaccination program. Across the country, we know that Australia is achieving results which, compared with the rest of the world, are extraordinary, but always we seek to achieve stronger and better results. This year there have been 94 days with 0 cases, but right now, my fellow Victorians, it's a difficult day for them. It's a difficult, challenging day, as it has been in the past. But we'll get through this. But having said that, the support is real and significant and tangible. The Commonwealth has invested $25 billion in supporting the states and territories and the Australian public through COVID-19 with health measures. In particular, over $2 billion for supporting our aged care facilities, both in terms of workforce retention, in terms of support with PPE, in terms of in-reach for vaccination. The second thing that has happened, of course, is that the primary healthcare network has been supported with over $6 billion of investment. A very significant part of that is that we now have well over 57 million telehealth consultations. Telehealth has been a fundamental part of our defence of individuals to give them access to medicines where the circumstances did not allow them to leave their homes, also to protect our GPs and our health professionals. This will be an important defence for Victorians in coming days, for those who wish to stay at home, for those who do not feel that they can safely venture to the doctor or their circumstances do not allow it. In addition to that, we also have the more than $7 billion invested in medical research and the vaccine program, a program which has now reached 3.9 million vaccinations around the country. And that program is absolutely fundamental. And then that is ultimately backed by the $9 billion which has been invested in our hospital and our PPE. The PPE, or the personal protective equipment, masks, gloves, gowns, whilst much of the rest of the world has had catastrophic shortages, we ran an air bridge. We've continued to make sure that Australians are supplied. We've continued to ensure that whether it's aged care facilities or whether it's the states and territories, that those supplies are available. They have been fundamental in keeping Australians safe. The budget invested and increased the funds available. All up, Australians are in a strong position, but we are working to keep them safe every day.